All right, guys, we're gonna start off with some beef sandwich steaks. Today I'm gonna be using the Steakums. If you're from the East Coast, you guys know how to have a good cheesesteak. Sorry, other regions, you know, but we don't play around with our cheesesteak. All right, guys. So now we got the cheesesteaks moving. Basically, while we're getting that together, you guys can start chopping it up. For the surf and turf, we're gonna be having some fresh shrimp today. So be mindful to get on that. Let me clean that up. And when we season our steaks and everything else, we're gonna use Chef Will's blend today. Yeah, stay tuned for that. All right, guys, our fresh vegetables, we're gonna have some onions. Got some green onions for you guys. Excuse me, green peppers, my mistake. And some mushrooms. We can't forget our cheese. Most times you can use whatever cheese that you like, but being on the East Coast, normally we have our cheesesteaks with American cheese slices. But if you like provolone, go ahead. Monterey Jack, do what you guys want to do. But today we're gonna use American cheese. All right, good? Let's get back. All right, guys. So the steaks don't really take too long. You know, you want medium heat. And then basically you're just breaking it up. The whole point of it is just to break it up. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn it down a little bit. And now I'm gonna introduce a little bit of the spices. Now I'm gonna introduce some onions. Follow it up with some green peppers. And then the rest, we're going to do our fresh shrimp. And then followed by our mushrooms. Now mind you, you're going to put in the steak first because it takes a little bit longer than everything else. But once you kind of have the steaks ready to go, now you can start blending. So my way to just get a little bit of this red out of the meat. What you want to do is just work all these flavors in. So just work them around. What we want to do is kind of just saute, just give it a little saute feel. And just lock in all of these flavors. Alright guys, so now what we're going to do is we're going to work everything in the middle. Now we're going to put our American cheese and just layer it down. And just spread that out. Bam. More slice. One more slice for y'all. One more slice. Bam. And all we're going to do is we're just going to work that in. Just let it sit for a little bit, melt a little bit. Then we got our steaks. Time for the egg rolls. Alright guys, so now we're about to do about 2 tablespoons worth. Spread it around. Alright guys, and now what we're going to do, we're going to just take a little egg wash. You can use water as well. I like to prefer the egg wash. And all that is egg and some water. Alright guys, now how we're going to get it together. We're going to take one end. One end, work to get the other end. And then you're just going to meet in the middle. And this end right here is going to go over the two. And we're just going to cuff it in. We're going to stuff it in like that. Now, all you got to do is just roll. Bam. Alright y'all, there you have it. Surf and turf cheesesteak egg rolls. We're about to put those in the air fryer. For all my vegan lovers and my vegan followers out there, you guys can substitute the meat and the cheese for your favorite vegan brands. Don't forget about you guys. Let's put it in the air fryer. Alright guys, egg rolls are in the air fryer. We got 15 minutes on it. When it's 7 minutes, we're gonna flip that and then let it cook for the remaining minutes. So we let those in for 15 minutes. Now we're gonna take it out of 10 minutes remaining, and we're gonna just flip, that's all. Then we're gonna put them right back in. We're gonna finish cooking. Alright guys, time to try it out. Try some kimchi mayo. Why you blessing me like this? Listen y'all, this is amazing. Taste the shrimp, taste the steak, all the vegetables. It's rich. This is juicy. Steak is tender, so is the shrimp. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna take this to go. Thank you guys, and tune in for episode 21. It's always a pleasure. Like, share, subscribe. We out. Peace.